button and then you can.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, now it's on the live stream on YouTube, Twitter, T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m and the live. Hello everyone, it's nice to see you today. Today
Hello,
is
everyone. Nice to see you all again.
yeah. It's this day, 23rd March 2021. And
Yes.
this morning, we discussed about Federal Chair Powell double down on the Bitcoin at the digital world. Yeah, let me
Yes.
share. In the brief, in U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, he believed that Bitcoin is retarded today. Yeah, it's Bitcoin is more like gold than any currency. During the Bank International Settlement Summit event, and he also said that Bitcoin is worth too volatile to replace the US dollar. Yeah, here's some of his information. The article shared to us about what he says about the Bitcoin and crypto asset are highly volatile. We see the Bitcoin is usually the value can change within the thousand within a few hours, and they are not backed by anything. He said that there are no more. Yeah, it is so
Can I say
funny.
something about how they emphasize that Bitcoin is not backed by anything? So they must understand one thing: the US dollar is not backed by gold anymore.
Yeah, that's right.
So in other words, US dollar is technically backed by only the promises of the government. So of course, once upon a time, US dollar was backed by gold, but now no more. So the thing is that when you want to talk about a new currency in a digital form called Bitcoin, and then you want to emphasize that it is going to be a digital gold. So is Bitcoin a currency or a gold? So is US dollar a currency or something like a gold? I don't think it's something like a gold. Gold is still around. So people peg gold to, or rather people buy, sell gold according to the numbers in price in US dollar or any other currency. So the thing is that because US dollar is still backed by something called trust of the people on the government. So at least at the current moment, US dollar still have some value. But let's look at this Bitcoin. He said that he was trying to emphasize that Bitcoin is digital gold. So is gold better or currency better?
Yeah, there's the two faces of the coin, because if we keep gold, we cannot use gold to buy food like today. Yeah, if
Yeah, but gold is more like for people to invest to keep for value,
yeah
and if one day all the currency on earth disappear, or well, there's a big fire that burns all the paper currency.
yeah
So what are you going to use as a form of medium of exchange? So you
yeah
probably use gold because gold is not likely going to be burned in a fire, right? It
yeah,
is metallic.
but it can be melted, and
Ah,
now we shift to the digital version of the
yeah,
cryptocurrency. Yeah, so be it cannot be destroyed by physical
yeah, because it cannot
element.
be destroyed easily by physical force or physical elements.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's why so many country now they issue the stable coin. This cryptocurrency design, and it has low volatile. It look like USDT, USDC, BUSD. Yeah, that's is one of the stable coin that help to strengthen to strengthen the fiat currency in the digital form. Yeah,
Right.
and nowadays we see the Facebook DM also have worry authority around the world because the potential risk they are
Mm.
they boast to monetary sover so sovereignty. Yeah,
Sovereign.
this sovereignty. Yeah, that's why a lot of government they also worry about this. Yeah, is the previous name is Libra. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, so I'm still stuck in the Libra era.
Yeah, that's why. You still
Well,
have some stuff in Libra.
Libra is not listed in any exchange, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's not listed in any exchange, but when the Libra boom, a lot of it look like some unauthority share information. Oh, this is Libra ERC20, some blah blah something like that, and it's can blur a lot of people. That's
Libra or DM is ERC20?
no.
No,
They have their
they
own.
have their own
They
blockchain, right?
they have their own
Yeah,
blockchain. Yeah.
if they do ERC20, I think they'll be really, really not very clever.
Yeah, that's right. So now, that's the reason why so many governments around the world they worry about Libra. It's because of their social network, because of it they accept this as a stable coin or cryptocurrency, and people can use as the thing to transfer. Uh, that's this article share to us about the idea of the Fed chairs, Jerome Powell, about his view on Bitcoin, and we also see something very interesting in about the NFT token because the Time Magazine he had just released the NFT token. Yeah, it's planned for the crypto stocks today. Yeah,
I think MFT token is slowly picking up in popularity. I think it will expand further in terms of how the crypto community look at NFT. So right now, probably half of them still thinking, "What is this MFT? Is this going to be good for me? Can I just buy it and still make some money?" And I think I got this feeling that NFT now MFT is pretty much used for in a lot of those digital art, buying selling of digital art, or they buy to keep and then they sell at a much higher price later.
yeah,
So it's kind of like where this thing is going, right? So if if traditional art, canvas art, oil
yeah,
painting and all this, uh, if they are potentially, I think many of them has had been used in one form of another form of money laundering. So, so I think people are trying to do this digitally. Yeah, so
oh,
you can just buy an art piece here and then sell to someone to help them, to help yourself or help them in terms of how you filter the money. So I mean I'm just thinking broadly. uh, uh, yeah, so I believe that somehow some guy somewhere is thinking of this and is actually doing this. Yeah,
yeah,
so of course when it comes to buying, selling of a certain particular art piece or digital art or physical art, the government cannot come in and say, "Oh, you can't do that because then they have to honor the free market thing, right?
Yeah.
They can't say, oh, this is free market, but you can't buy this because I think that is bad. But there are a lot of people who are selling drugs, and it is bad. So there's a gray line for all these to come into the same picture. Uh, but I think that NFT has a pretty good potential, because when it comes to involving itself in gaming, for example, I think there's a potential there. Yeah. So people can just use it as a form of reward. The gaming platform can use NFT as a reward, and then these guys receive the reward, they sell to another person. It happens in real life. It
Yeah,
happens
that's
in
right. It's
everywhere.
happening in real life. Yeah.
Yeah, even before digital thing come into place, it happens before crypto come in. Yeah, so a lot of people do. Even in real life, you go to the Funland arcade or whatever, you you want some soft toy, or you want some product, or you want some really expensive thing. You take it. Maybe you have two. You want to sell one to your friend.
Yeah. Now it's very easy to issue your collection
Yeah.
send for auction. If you want to do the collection as the NFT token, you can bless the comment and let us know, and we can do for you with your own collection. You can sell it. You can earn the thousand million, because as I see one of the collection they call the collection of the fact. You know fact.
Fact.
You don't know. You know the fact is a in Chinese is the fun the fun beer.
Huh? Fat?
Yeah, fat.
What fat?
No, let me show you the
I am
uh
lost for
yeah.
a moment.
Okay, the the fat. Okay, wait for
Please show me a
it's
picture.
called
I
the
am a very visual person.
yeah. It's that's that is the sound of the it's no, not that, so it's in the open. I let me find from OpenSea. Uh, oh no, because I hear that's right. He he saw hit the Fed around it's around 500 to a few example like this.
Where?
Yeah,
That one screen.
yeah. That's the Fed.
What?
Yeah,
What?
$1,000,
What?
and he saw it's a
People
thousand
want to
dollar.
sell fart? I mean, people want to buy fart?
Yeah, that,
Hello, that's guess.
yeah, but some of the
Yeah,
idea
but I
is
think
is a
this the way they do this is quite interesting.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's a little crazy idea about this, and people can do the crazy thing. They make the crazy
But
like
well, who would go and buy this thing by the name fart?
yeah. It's just funny. Yeah, it's just funny, and
Uh,
they also
well,
can make
people sometimes they think differently. A few years ago, I think it was about like what 8 years ago, no 7 8 years ago, something like that.
yeah.
Yeah, about 8 years ago, there is this particular piece of art, really art. It's oil painting or something. It's
Yeah.
on a canvas, and then there's this
Oh,
blue color background. The whole piece of the art is blue color. It's really big, I think. It's blue. Basically, it's blue, and then there's one single white line cut into the middle, and then they sell it for 40 million US dollar.
oh, yeah. That's right.
So it's very hard to understand this thing, but what I can think of is a lot of other things besides the buying and selling of this particular piece of art. Maybe this guy has a certain agreement with the other guy or whatever. So that's why they come together and transact the particular piece. Yeah. You know what?
Also, based on the Binance Smart Chains, also have the other NFT token based on this, and we can see a lot of so many collection from artists from the game. Uh, Now they have the treasure land. You can go and buy NFT token based on Binance Smart Chains, and OpenSea is NFT tokens based on Ethereum.
This OpenSea, do they transact in Ethereum or Bitcoin?
Yeah, in Ethereum, OpenSea transact in Ethereum, and treasure land transact in the Bitcoin on BNB.
So since the whole world is talking about Bitcoin being potentially the digital gold, so maybe some people are trying to make Ethereum the digital silver.
Yeah.
I don't know. Since there's gold and silver, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this platform, this marketplace is totally different. This platform, you can buy this the first time we use in OpenSea, and we trace our NFT token, like if we want to buy our own Xeonbit card. This one. Oh, where's our Xeonbit? Back to our item. Yeah. We also have our own token here, and we set one for sale, and we make it look like we also get some virtual land on the central land, and we also have some uh, Xeonbit.crypto. Yeah, this is one of our NFT token in domain. This means we will have our own domain name on here. Yeah, and this one also set for sale with the first card NFT token based on the Marble card with the price 0.05 Ethereum is around a few dollars. Yeah, this one is
0.05. That's quite a sum of money. I think it's like what, $20?
yeah $89 nowadays.
Oh,
Yeah,
89. Yeah.
yeah, because we this is for a long time we have made it and tried to test with the NFT token a few years ago. Let me see, a years ago. A years ago is least
Last year,
maybe
right? Sometime
yeah
early this year.
yeah early last year, and we also do some transact with the NFT token with our domain name. Yeah, that crypto, and no one can get this anymore, and we have this one. Yeah, it's so hard to get this domain name nowadays.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's one of the thing it's the first time we try to discover in NFT token, and now with us, to make the NFT token is very nice, very easy,
Mm.
and if you are the hardcore gamer, you can try to try it, because in the future, some if you play some game, you must to have some rare article, rare weapon, rare tool, then you can buy it. So NFT token can help, and yeah, this is for the game developer that will do this, and a lot of people still don't know what is NFT token used for and something. Yeah, that's the answer is here. The answer is some of the character, the game character, the player they want to buy. So they just buy the token of this and they use this in their game.
Yeah, so it is very useful tool, or rather useful way to reward or to allow your gamers to earn something. So when they earn this, after earning, they'll be thinking, "Oh, what can I do with this?" And then if the community is desiring, have a strong desire for this particular piece, then they will pay for it, right?
This morning I saw one of the
Yeah.
famous
Alert.
twister. He he sell his twist, the first twist or twister. He set for auction.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice. Let me check the from this website. You can set to sell your this. Just collect your just log in with this set up
To
your
sell tweet.
MetaMask. Yeah,
Oh my.
buy and sell your this. You can earn this, and people may ask why we need to sell this and here.
Yeah, I think selling tweets is a little bit too far because you're basically just trying to sell what you post on your Twitter, right?
Yeah. It's no
I
not
think it's too far.
it. It doesn't mean you sell your Twitter account. It means your Twitter. Yeah, what you say on Twitter, you just sell this.
Yeah,
It's
what happened if you said something similar to another guy who is saying the same thing? Then who can sell this and who can sell it for a better price?
no the reason to sell your this is because it's let the community of the up from the author to know the creator to know the this is because when I do the research I saw they say this here. Yeah, why would I pay to own a twist? Yeah, they say because like the autograph baseball card NFT itself is creator autograph content make unique and valuable. And how I sell, I got this account. This also where the money go. They say explain that this creator receive the money. How many times can someone mean the same twist? It's the same answer. It's the same question you asked just now. What if the creator don't accept my offer to buy that dish? Yeah. If they don't accept the money will return to the bid. Yeah,
This is
that's
what platform again, sorry?
it means if you can they will do the
No, no,
auction.
I mean they're selling this tweet thing. It is selling on Twitter or selling on a platform like OpenSea or something.
No, it's not platform OpenSea. This the third party platform.
Third
They
party platform.
yeah
Oh, okay.
they, yeah this is the third party platform and they uh, they set they create the playground for all the for the for the creator and the buyer to purchase to buy NFT token. And this really new thing because I found it on the news. Yeah, let me
Right.
check the news. Yeah, the news is here. Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey. He has so he this
So actually, the more important question here is who did he sell this
yeah
NFT?
who sell the this is more important because
No, who bought it? That's the
yeah
thing.
yeah
Yeah, so it could be just his buddy. Hey, I sell to you, you sell to me.
yeah it's like he has so this was on micro block size is the price 2.9 million. It look like now I make a twist, my first twist, and I ask you to purchase. I give Ethereum or give some coin to you, and you purchase back to me. Yeah, it seems similar like this. Yeah,
Yeah, I think this is just going round and round. It's a crazy loop.
yeah. It's no, it's one kind to do the
I mean,
marketing.
you are talking about selling digital art and all this. Yeah, that's fine. But you're just selling tweet. I said something on my post, so you please buy it. Or I send it for. To me, it just doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
But for this, whoever is sell, I believe he's buying or selling some particular art piece, right?
yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, how
That,
$2.5 million?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's look like one arc of this arc of the advertisement. Arc
Yeah,
of
yeah. So it's
advertisement.
basically just trying to spice up this NFT thing, and oh, he sells NFT tweets. Oh, sorry, I didn't really notice the tweet word down there.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
but you set
so
the price so high, and people can realize,
so
oh,
it makes me think that they are just trying to twist and turn this NFT thing into something that's so unbelievable. so so unbelievable that new people that got onto the crypto community, and they'll be thinking, what is this NFT? Why are people selling tweets? Why are you selling your farts?
yeah,
why
that's
are,
right.
why are you selling your bad breath? So it will take some time for a lot of people to digest why sell tweets, why sell fart, and why sell gas. Yeah. So it's a food for thought for a lot of cryptoners.
Yeah, that's a thing for people.
Did this article mention who bought it? No.
Yeah,
Ah, did they mention
yeah. They
who
this
did you sell to?
let me see. The buyer was senior SW, CEO of the British Oracle.
All those rich people, all those same. What did they say about Justin Sun? Lost out in the auction.
Yeah,
Okay.
system based on the Tron network.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
sounds a little bit like those typical antique auction where they are just trying to spice the price up, and
Uh,
maybe you sell. Yeah, I bought this for you, and maybe this is what I feel personally. What I feel, just in case
yeah,
all
that's
you are catching what I'm saying. This is personally how I feel. So in a typical auction for antiques, you have these particular people who do some bidding, and then they see some one bidding, and then they'll just compete. So maybe the next round, the next round they have their own piece of antique that this guy wants. So yeah,
yeah,
I sell to you, you sell to me next time.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah, of course,
This auction,
we're not going to tell the world that I'm going to sell to you. I'm going to buy back something from you next time, but it could happen that way. Yeah. So okay, that's enough for all this.
yeah, that's right. And
Quick
after is proceed the the purchase, all the stuff will go to charities. It's
I think I believe it's not so simple. If I want to sell something, maybe I just want to go around this thing called tax. Maybe I earn, or if I can spend some money, or if you can earn some money through this thing, I can go around and do something that allows me to avoid tax. Or if I can do something that is of charity in nature, then I can avoid some form of tax or something like that. Because I do not know how their tax system work there, but typically most government would like to tax you on things you earned.
yeah,
you know They look at you. Oh, you have the capital gain there. I would like to tax you.
Yeah, that's right. And now, okay, it's enough for the article sharing about the NFT. We go
Yeah,
to the
correct.
next thing is
So let's move.
about the mining.
Public Bitcoin mining firm with their own power plant. Oh, this is good. Just look at the title. It makes people think differently of mining. Yeah,
Yeah,
you have your
because
own power plant. You'll never run out of electricity, technically speaking.
yeah, this the unit is the is has been public do the will do the IPO and it will be to be listed on the Nasdaq with the support.com, and they proud that they own their own power plant. They don't worry. They no more worry about electricity. Yeah, Greenwich
Imagine you
generation
don't
holding.
have to pay for electricity, but you
Yeah,
are generating the electricity on yourself.
yeah, that's right. And they uh, and group of work is Bitcoin. Yeah, the network of Bitcoin is using the group of work and using a large energy to mine the Bitcoin. That's why we also said to all our audience last time about some of the articles share that they compare one Bitcoin uh, one one Bitcoin can create the CO2 emission equal 60 cars. Yeah, that article is make a lot of debate, a lot of argument from the on the article, and is also one of the thing to set the price of Bitcoin go down. Is make some fear of some investor. Yeah,
So I guess since they are using their own power plant to generate electricity for mining their Bitcoin, so if that is the case, then Bitcoin price should stay in a reasonable level according. Okay, if the whole world mines Bitcoin using their own power plant, I think that'll be awesome. But it's just this one or two or three companies are doing that. Um, but will this uh, adversely affect the price run of Bitcoin? I hope not. Or maybe because of this, the Bitcoin price can go down slightly a bit
yeah.
since they don't need so much money. Or maybe they just want to leverage on everything that the price of Bitcoin have to offer, right?
Because last time we saw the article shared to us about one day the mining, some of the miner uh, he earned 34 million, right? After they
34.
sell, yeah, 34 million up after they sold their crypto. It's the same thing. Uh, During the last weekend, the Bitcoin price go down a little bit, and let's see the article here about.
Yeah, it went down like until like today is 54,000 or something like that, right?
Yeah, it's also go down this time. Face target just released. Oh, targeting July release for digital dollar research
Who is this Sailor guy?
seller. Yeah.
Bitcoin buys. What did they buy?
Oh, the seller is the CEO of the MicroStrategy. They are his MicroStrategy. They are two boss of the biggest company now that own Bitcoin, MicroStrategy and Tesla. MicroStrategy bought the Bitcoin on October 2020, and this year the company earned a few $1 billion based on their holding Bitcoin. Yeah, Tesla purchased 1.5 billion, and seller last 12 months have been an avalanche of the institutional involvement in Bitcoin. Yeah, within 12 months, he bought Bitcoin since I forgot the time. Last year, I still remember last year from from July to from
So
July to
yeah,
October. Yeah,
so along with big names like Tesla and Square, so I guess that sounds like a good thing in a sense because if you look at how Bitcoin price movement can be influenced by some of these big names. Yeah, we witnessed that, right? Like, well, like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, when the price suddenly shoot up because of one particular news talking about this one of those big guys. Yeah.
yeah. The article said was the micro strategy loses 91,326 Bitcoin. Uh, and his had paid around
$2.
2.2
$2.2 billion. All
billion
right, right.
for
So
anti-stash. Yeah. Not $2.
uh, why only $2.20?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. And it's an up in more 10,000 a day. Yeah, because when he bought when the company purchased the Bitcoin, it's not it's less than 10,000. Yeah, at that time it's
Yeah,
less
yeah.
than 10,000. Is and that's why the company earned
If,
a lot.
since they purchased at less than 10,000, they are earning 5 times already.
Yeah, five times. That's right. That's it's never too late to jump into the cryptocurrency because um, last year when a lot of people still doubt about the Bitcoin, he said, "Oh, I will wait until Bitcoin go down 1,000. I will purchase." Yeah, but this
Yeah,
that's now it's hard to let the Bitcoin price go below 50,000. Yeah,
yeah.
in my opinion.
So any of you who are buying Bitcoin right now, if you are buying between 50 to 60,000, don't beat yourself up and say, "Oh, I bought at 58, now it's 54,000." Don't think that way. So
Yeah,
just hold it. There'll be a time where you just breach 60,000 and go up to 70,000 or something, and then you'll be making some good margin over there. Yeah. So you witnessed the last few rounds of how Bitcoin price go up and then it
yeah,
come down and then it go up again, and then it did the same thing quite a few times in terms of how the price movement on the candle chart. Yeah. So yeah, don't worry too much. As long as as long as you are not the type who is urgently needing the money, but please don't. If you are urgently needing money, please don't use all your saving. Please don't.
yeah. That's
Just
right.
use a bit and uh, invest and get yourself familiar with cryptocurrency. So it's not just Bitcoin that's out in the market. There are also a lot of other coins that are altcoins that are good for investment as well. Yeah.
This article, this is current price Bitcoin. This
Yeah, 54,000 plus. Yeah.
yeah, and it has just go down at 53,652. Yeah, if someone can get at this price, it's very nice to get it as when it's hit as price, and we also can some people they can do something buy low and sell high to earn the gap between this. Example, if you buy 53,600 uh,
Mm.
in in the beginning of the day and after the day, after 24 hours, it's go up nine or it's go up a few thousand, so you can earn a few thousand. within 24 hours. Yeah, it's a little bit the price of Bitcoin is high, so you can purchase a large amount of money to earn a few thousand. Yeah, some people think that's not a good invest. You also can invest in alternative coin, and it will go up a little bit, and you can earn with a small amount. However, with the alternative coin, a small coin, it can fly higher and faster than the Bitcoin. I think some of our audience still blur about this comment. Yeah, so you also can reverse to watch again from beginning, and you can get the idea how to purchase, how can do. Oh, I also want to share to our audience about our Binance Smart Chain scan. This is one of the you may know about our Xeonbit token on Ethereum ERC20. It is scan, right? It is scan.com. Yeah. ERC20, it is scan.com, and we also can search for the SNS Xeonbit token here, and we see all the information of our token. Yeah, it's an SNS. We also have the pair on the Uniswap. Yeah, you see the Uniswap version 1, version 2. Yeah, and we have the on Binance Smart Chain. SNS. We also Binance Smart Chain is this blockchain on Binance Smart Chain. We also have the pair on PancakeSwap. SNS still this is pair on PancakeSwap, and we are going to open on the other side. This the PancakeSwap with our SNS. If you cannot find the SNS token on the PancakeSwap, you can go to the Binance Smart Chain. You just copy the token contract. Let me show you token contract here, token Xeonbit here, token contract here. You copy this and place here.
Where?
PancakeSwap.
You are showing now what I'm seeing is the trading page on Binance.
Oh, you saw the trade based on Binance. Oh, sorry, okay. Yeah. Here's
okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is a pair. We still don't update the liquidity of the pair because we are waiting for the update of the token here on the Binance Smart Chain to let our investor or buyer to know exactly is maybe the same with here. On Etherscan, it should have the logo here, all the detail information show up here. So the other people still they will not get confusion during purchase. And if you cannot find our pair on some decentralized chain, you can go here to get the contract. If you cannot find your token on your wallet, ERC20 wallet, you can go here to get the contract. And this is the contract on Binance Smart Chains, and we also have the token on Binance Chains. Yeah, with the Binance Smart Chain, you copy the contract here. This contract copy, you can add the liquidity. Yeah, of course, if you add the liquidity for our token, you can earn the commission from the exchange after you purchase. Yeah, it is. Yeah, the pancake swap. Yeah, yeah. You add our token here, and let's see. You just paste this. You file it here and add it. Example, you add the pair BUSD. You purchase. Example, you purchase $1, you get 99 SNS. Yeah, you can buy directly from here by swap. I think it's also the cream exchange, also similar with this. The cream swap. The cream swap is also similar. Select a token. If you cannot, if you can select a token, you turn off this and load this. Connect to wallet. Yeah, I will do more research about this because with the green finance, you also can use the ETH swap, or you can go to a Uniswap. In the future, there's a bridge between the ERC20 to Binance Smart Chain and Binance Chain. Yeah, it's similar like this. You can go to the swap, you select a token. This is ERC SNS. Yeah, you can go here, import here. Must understand is you need to make sure the contract is correct, and then you just place. You can swap with the SNS based on the current price. Yeah, the choice is. I think it's very simple, easy for some of the people who have ever trade swap on the Uniswap or on the pancake swap to purchase crypto. Moreover, you also can go to CoinMarketCap to find the other centralized chains. Yeah, recently you can go to here. You see the token, and you see some of the exchange here. Actually, we have more exchange like IDEX, like the other. Here's Bithumb Global. You can go there to buy WBF exchange. You also can purchase not only our token but also our cryptocurrency, Xeonbit S&P. Yeah, this S&P is lower a little bit because it's based on based on our own blockchains. Yeah, S&P here, and you also can go to the other centralized chains like Greg24. Greg24 is one of the exchanges, really nice. You can get it. Yeah. You can see the market. You purchase the market with the SNS and S&P market from here. This Select24 use Bitcoins to purchase our cryptocurrency S&P. Yeah, here S&P and SNS. Here SNS. A lot of miner they do this and there are no SNS here. SNS show here. Yeah, a lot of miner they have purchase, they have sell our crypto here on the Rest24 also. Also they have some of the other crypto exchange. Here SNS purchase, yeah, Xeonbit token here. If you have Bitcoin, you can purchase, you buy from Rest24. It's easy. Also not only B2B B2B. Do you remember this? Yeah, and so more and so more and so more. If you need more information, just go to our Telegram. You can see our group, our Telegram group to discuss with us. Yeah.
Right. Yes.
Is there any information you can let us know? Let's see more about this. I think we need to update more the contract here. It will show the Binance Smart Chain contract here. And Binance Chain here, we also have some Binance Chain Explorer plus Binance. That's our here. Here's our accept on the Binance chains. This one is transfer for the this is accept on Binance BEP2. Yeah, we we need to link. We need to buy token between Binance chain to Binance Smart Chain to let it show working token info URL. So yeah. This that's all for the thing we want to share to our audience to know more how to purchase Xeonbit token and sell Bitcoin on the major exchange this day. Yeah. If you have any question, you can let us know. And remember, don't forget the NFT stuff because it's very potential nowadays. Like sample, we have some dot. This means the virtual land on Decentraland is cost around 45,000 mana. 45,000 mana. Now the price of the one mana is around $1. And this mention is mentioned. If you can go directly to the game, you can see the mention. You see the place area. Now it's got around 400,000. We also have the meeting place. Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think it's time for us to complete the live stream at this time. If you have any question, please let us know, Mr. Nicholas. You can share any word to our audience.
Yeah. So read up more, invest safely, get yourself know more about crypto. Yeah. So every time, okay, sometimes for me, if I go on Binance or any exchange to buy something, to buy certain coins or tokens,
Yeah.
I will try to read up on the history of this project and who is promoting this project and any other things that you might think of. So just to let myself know more about this particular project before I actually
Yeah.
put in money
Yeah.
to, yeah. So of course, if this is something new, if this is a new entry to the exchange, for example, Binance announced that this token or this coin has just been listed on our platform and they are starting trading today.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Be
yeah.
careful when it's,
All right. So things like this, you see how it goes. Yeah. So for me, there's this particular one called Pearl. I made only
yeah.
10%. I quickly get out of it, and then the price went down. So for
Yeah.
some people, they may not be so lucky. So there are also other coins where people actually what make 100% or 200%, something like that. Yeah. So always read up on all this information, and then you make your own judgment. Right. Invest
Yeah. That,
safely. Don't invest everything you have in your bank account. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So just a little bit is good enough for you to get acquainted with crypto. Yeah.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll
See you.
see you all again. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
See you again. Bye bye.